Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick demo of EyePlus, the optical shop management tool from Platter Software Solutions. We offer end-to-end software solutions to streamline your business operations. EyePlus simplifies customer management. Track day-to-day customers, their orders, lens and frame details, and eye prescriptions. Simply click Add New Customer to enter their information and save. Adding prescriptions is easy. A 3-step form guides you through capturing odd and O's details, with each field validated for accuracy. Upload the customer's prescription photocopy for reference. Next, specify lens features and choose the perfect frame, including brand, model, and price. Finally, enter payment details and generate a printable Rex receipt upon successful order completion. The main window displays a clear overview of all prescriptions. Click on a specific X to view details, preview it, or mark it as delivered for easy tracking. EyePlus provides extensive customization. From the Tools menu, set your preferred currency and choose a template. Basic, responsive, or even a custom design tailored to your business needs. Explore additional settings to personalize your experience. This quick demo showcased the ease and functionality of EyePlus. Want to try it out? Fill out the form in the description below to receive your setup file. Thank you for watching. We at Platter Soft believe EyePlus can revolutionize your optical shop management.